Hi, I'm Abhishek Deesawala from Acton Belle Property Mandurah, and welcome to 15 Barracoota Loop, Lakelands. A stunning X-display home built in 2022 and crafted to an exceptional standard. From the moment you step inside, every space has been thoughtfully created to impress. At the heart of the home, a breathtaking designer kitchen showcases premium Caesar stone benchtops, quality appliances flowing seamlessly into light-filled open-plan living and dining spaces. Whether you are entertaining guests in style, enjoying movie nights in the private theater, or watching the children create lifelong memories in their own activity zone, every detail has been designed around modern luxury and everyday comfort. You are only moments from the train station, shopping center, leading schools, beautiful parks, and the breathtaking Western Australia coastline. This is more than a home. It's a statement of lifestyle, elegance, and success. I'm not just selling your home, I'm selling your property with a personality. Call me today.